Today I'm going to show you what's in my fidget bag. First thing, stress balls. These three have white things inside. This white, and this one has glitter inside that moves, and this one is Orbeez. And then I have lots of puppets. This one is from a game called Among Us. This one, it's a lollipop, a rainbow cat, cupcake, and a big whale, dinosaur, heart shell hexagon, mini puppet, and two octopus puppets. I'll say one more stress ball, two McDonald's squishies. Okay, now dimples. I have this big one that can spin. I have this small one that can also spin. And then I have this infinity cube. Just fidgeting. All these things are snakes. You can make your own shape and play with them. Make your own shape like that. I have blue, green, black, and red. And then last two things, I have this tangle. You can also make any shape. Just move it around. And then this marble mesh. There's this marble mesh. Okay, that's the end. Bye bye.